Dear students, let us see the last class we discussed transportation of gases. First one, the transportation of oxygen. The transportation of oxygens we discussed in the clearly discussed in the last class. Now let us see second one, transportation of carbon dioxide, CO2. Transportation of carbon dioxide. So transportation of carbon dioxide, transportation of oxygen transportations in such a way two methods. First one is plasma, through the plasma by the RBC, and in that manner this transportation of carbon dioxide, the transportation of carbon dioxide through the three methods. Transportation of carbon dioxide through the three methods. First one, coming to the first point, in dissolved state and as carbamino compounds as bicarbonates. In dissolved state only, this state only 7% of carbon dioxide, 7% of carbon dioxide plus water, carbon dioxide plus water, H2CO3 formation. H2CO3 means carbonic acid formation. Carbonic acid, the carbonic acid is formation. How is the formation of carbonic acid? In dissolved state. Dissolved means dissolved in the waters in our bodies. The dissolved is in the waters. Dissolved the carbon dioxide dissolved in water. This is only 7% of the carbonic acid transportation of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide dissolved in water. The carbon dioxide combined with water and the formation of carbonic acid. The carbonic acid is only how much percentage of transportation? 7% of carbonic acid. Carbonic acid formations in the carbon dioxide transportation. At the next, coming to the second point, carbamino compounds. Carbon dioxide combined the amine group. Carbon dioxide combined the amine groups. So amine groups means proteins. The proteins means amino acids are proteins containing the amino groups. So amino groups, hemoglobins, amino groups containing carbon dioxide, carbamino compounds. Amino group is present in the carbamino compound is formation. So how is the formation of carbamino compounds? High partial pressure of oxygen, the low partial pressure of oxygen, low partial pressure of carbon dioxide. So carbamino compound is formation. This condition, whenever the partial pressure of oxygen is high, whenever the partial pressure of carbon dioxide is low, alveoli get carbon dioxide or carbamino compound is formations. Carbamino compounds. Hemoglobins bind the amino groups and the carbon dioxide are including the carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide also bind the hemoglobins and amino groups, and it's the formation of the carbamino compounds. So carbamino compounds, this methods only 23% carbon dioxide transportation through the carbamino compounds. Carbamino compounds only 23 to 25% of the carbon dioxide. Carbamino compounds 23 to 25%. So the carbon dioxide combines the amino groups and hemoglobins. So carbamino compounds formations. This formations only 23 to 25% of carbon dioxide transportation. Now Let us see third one as bicarbonate. The bicarbonate, the form bicarbonates the carbonic anhydrogenase. The carbonic anhydrogenase, the formation and breakdowns. The first of all, carbon dioxide plus water. The formation of carbonic acid. Carbonic acid is formations immediately breakdowns. So carbonic anhydrogenase. Carbonic anhydrogenase, bicarbonate plus hydrogen ions. Bicarbonate plus hydrogen ions formation. Bicarbonates means bicarbonates formation. Bicarbonates containing the carbon dioxide. CO3 means CO2 plus H4. So this is the carbonic acid. So carbonic acid is formation. Carbonic acid means HHO, hemoglobin acid. HHO is formation. Finally carbonic acid, carbon dioxide plus HHO means hemoglobin acid. So hemoglobin acid is formation. First of all, carbon dioxide comment water formation carbonic acid. Whenever the carbonic acid is formations, immediately carbonic anhydrogenase enzymes break down. So breakdowns the carbonic anhydrogenase enzymes, carbonic acids, the cleavages breakdowns the carbonic bicarbonates and hydrogen ions. So these methods, the bicarbonate ions, the formations, bicarbonate ions, there is more percentage of carbon dioxide, 70% of carbon dioxide. This method transportation carbon dioxide. More percentage means 70% of carbon dioxide transportation through the bicarbonates. Only 23 to 25% of carbon dioxide through the carbamino compounds. Only 5 to 7% of carbon dioxide transportation through the dissolved state. But bicarbonate ions, the bicarbonates formation. The next formation of the hemoglobin acid. Hemoglobin acids divides the hemoglobin plus oxygen. So oxyhemoglobin is formations. Once again it remains the formation of oxyhemoglobin. Oxyhemoglobin is formations. And then next bicarbonates, carbon dioxide transportation through the blood. Carbon dioxide, the high partial pressure of carbon dioxide releases in the tissues. They get into the blood and reaches to the alveoli. The alveoli is only the low percentage of the partial pressure of carbon dioxide. The finally so sending out to the body. So this is the transportation of carbon dioxide. 3 methods: dissolved state, carbamino compounds, bicarbonates. The finally chloride shift. What is the chloride shift? Chloride shift bicarbonates. Bicarbonates one of the part of the chloride shift. The third method, bicarbonates part in the chloride shift. Chloride shift. Chloride shifts the RBC, the plasma, carbon dioxide plus water gives rise to carbonic acid, H2CO3. H2CO3 bicarbonate ions H plus ions, and plasma containing the sodium chloride. Sodium chloride. See the Cl minus chloride ions, Na plus, Na plus. Sodium bicarbonate, sodium bicarbonate, Na plus. This is plasma, this is RBC. Chloride shift. What is the chloride shift? So chloride shift means RBC and plasma exchanges the RBC and plasma ions exchanges. The imbalance, the balancing of the ionic exchanges RBC to plasma and plasma to RBC is called chloride shift. So ionic exchanges, whenever the formation of carbonic acids divide, carbonic acids divide bicarbonate ions and H plus ions. Only RBC membrane permeable to the anion. RBC membranes permeable to the anions, impermeable to the cations. But only bicarbonate ions, only RBC membranes allow the bicarbonate ions RBC to plasma. RBC to plasma. So bicarbonate ions from RBC to plasma only allow the RBC membranes permeable to the anion. Only RBC membranes permeable to the anions, impermeable to the cations. Cannot diffuse the RBC membranes in the cations or H plus ions. So H2CO3 bicarb, whenever the formation of carbonic acid, immediately bicarbonates and H plus ions. Bicarbonate ions diffuses into the plasma, but H plus ions, hydrogen ions, the concentrations, hydrogen ions inside the RBC. So hydrogen ions increases in RBC, bicarbonate ions immediately diffuses into plasma. So increases the H plus ions, automatically ionic imbalance. Bicarbonate ions already diffuses into plasma, and anions is low and cations increases. The H plus ions increases in RBC. So automatically anions, cations not equal. Cannot equals the anions, cations. Only cations increases and anions decreases. So imbalance, ionic imbalance. So ionic imbalance is formation. Whenever the ionic imbalance, immediately exchanges the ions. Balancing, equal balancing of the balancing of ion exchanges the RBC to plasma and plasma to the RBC. Bicarbonate ions RBC to plasma and chloride ions plasma to the RBC. Chloride ions diffuses to RBC, bicarbonates ions diffuses to plasma, and so many number of the bicarbonate ions diffuses and transport in plasma, and number of chloride ions transport into the RBC. So ionic balancing. So RBC to bicarbonate ions RBC to plasma and chloride ions plasma to the RBC. This shifting is called chloride shift. This ionic exchanges. What is the chloride shift? Ionic exchanges. So ionic exchanges, the balancing of plasma and RBC, ionic exchanges the bicarbonate and chloride ions. Hence the name is called chloride shift, or another name is the Hamburger Hamburger phenomenon. Hamburger phenomenon. So Hamburger phenomenon. Chloride shift. What is the chloride shift in the 2 marks questions? What is the chloride shift? Ionic exchanges, balancing of ionic exchanges, the RBC to plasma and plasma to RBC, the bicarbonate ions, RBC to bicarbonate ions, RBC, from RBC to plasma, and chloride ions from plasma to RBC. This ionic exchanges is called chloride shift. Once again repeat, what is the chloride shift in the 2 marks questions? So ionic balancing of ions, exchanges of ions, the bicarbonate ions from RBC to plasma and chloride ions from plasma to RBC. This exchanges of ion is called chloride shift. Another name is the Hamburger phenomenon. So Hamburger phenomenon, another name is the chloride shift. This is the transportation of carbon dioxide. Transportation of carbon dioxide, the 3 methods in the transportation: with dissolved state, carbamino compounds and bicarbonates. The bicarbonates in the chloride shift. Bicarbonates, the bicarbonate ions formations inside the RBC. So inside the RBC automatically immediately diffuses in the plasma, but cannot diffuses the hydrogen ions. The hydrogen ions they increases the RBC. So ionic imbalance. So ionic balancing of ions, the bicarbonate and chloride ions exchanges the plasma and RBC. So this exchanges is called chloride shift. See the transportation of gases. The transportation of gases, the 2 methods, the 2 types: the oxygen transportation and carbon dioxide transportation. Oxygen transportations, the 2 methods: through the plasma, through the RBC or by the RBC. And next, transportation of carbon dioxide, the 3 methods: the dissolved state and bicarbamino compounds, and next third one, bicarbonate ions. In this regarding the transportation of gases, the gases transportations given the examination question, the transportation of carbon dioxide, the 4 marks questions, transportation of carbon dioxide. So write about the transportation of carbon dioxide, the 3 methods, and the dissolved state, carbamino compounds, the bicarbonates, including chloride shift. This is the in this regarding the transportation of gases. The remaining next class, the next sessions.